students, today I am going to present one of the important topic in reasoning, that is statement and conclusion. Here we have four types of statements. One is, I am writing all streets are villages. Some villages are mandals. No mandal is a district. Some districts are not states. Here, to identify what type of statement is given, we have to focus first term of the given statement. Here, first statement starts with all. So, this is called A type statement. Second statement starts with some. So, it is called I type statement. Third statement starts with no. This is considered E type statement. Now here we have some. Already in the second statement we have some, but here not is one additional word. So any statement starts with some, that is called I type. Now we are having some. In addition to that, we have not. So this is O type statement. So some I type statements, some and not, that is O type statements. So first we have to identify types of statement. For this we have to remember conversions. I am writing conversions. Conversion means simply writing in reverse order. Some districts are not states. This cannot be written in reverse order. That means this statement has no conversion. So I am writing no conversion. Second one. No mandal is a district. Can be written as no district is mandal. No district is a mandal. Next, some villages are mandals. For this statement, we write some mandals are villages. That is conversion. Some, just I am writing in reverse order. Mandals first, villages next. Some mandals are villages. Some conversion starts with some, no conversion starts with no. But for when you write conversion for all, you should not start with all. For all, we have to write some, conversion with some. Some, here streets are villages given. We have to write villages are streets. Some villages are streets. Some villages are streets. Once again remember this. Some not. For some not we don't have any conversion. No conversion is no. No mandal is a district. Can be written as no district is mandal. Some conversion some. So I wrote here some. I begin with some. Some villages are mandals. You can write some mandals are villages. That is conversion. For A type statement, we should not start with some. We should not start with all. So here all is given. You should not start with all. For this all type statement, we have to write conversion with some. Some villages are streets. So first we have to identify type of statement, then conversions we have to remember. Kadchi. Now let us know how to combine two statements. Here I am taking two statements. Some shirts are pants. All pants are jeans. To combine two statements, one right diagonal element must be same. Here pant right diagonal elements, shirt and jeans left diagonal elements. So these right diagonal elements must be same. Here pants. These two terms must be same to combine two statements. After that, these two statements should follow some rules. First rule is A plus A is equal to A. Second rule is A plus E is equal to E. Third rule is E plus A is equal to O star. A plus A is equal to A plus E is equal to E. A All India, E Engineering, E Exam. All India Engineering Exam. Remember first letter of these words. Write A plus E in reverse order. That is E plus A. That is equal to O star. After writing these first three rules, recall vowels of English language. We know A, E, I, O, U vowels. Remove the first vowel. We are left with E, I, O, U. E plus I is equal to O. I am writing here E plus I is equal to, here write O star. Now I am writing in reverse order. E plus I in reverse order I write I plus C. I plus C is equal to O. Final technique is remember modulus of A. Now put lines like this. You get one formula, one rule. I plus A is equal to I. I plus A is equal to I. So we have 6 rules. First one is A plus A is equal to A. All India Engineering Exam. Write A plus E in reverse order. You get E plus A is equal to O star. Recall vowels. Remove first A vowel. E plus I is equal to O star. Again write E plus I in reverse order. That is I plus E. Write O. Next remember modulus of A. It becomes I plus A is equal to I. Now we are combining these two statements. So pants and pants gets cancelled. Sum. This statement starts with sum. So this is I type. This all is, this is A. This statement is starts with all. So it is A type. Now we have to combine. First I type plus A. I plus A. We have to follow order also. First we have to write I. After that plus A. I plus A. Here I plus A formula we have. I plus A is equal to I. I plus A is equal to I. So here is equal to after I got I. I means I have to start with sum. So these two terms are cancelled. We are left with shirts and jeans. Now we have to write shirts or jeans. So this is the derived conclusion. So in this way we combine two statements. Here in these formulas we have star. Why we put star, I will give you clarity. No book is chair. Some chairs are tables. Here two statements I took. No. So this statement starts with no. So this is E type. Second statement starts with some. This is I type. We know it. We have to combine now. Here E plus I. E plus I is equal to O star. E plus I is equal to O star. Here O means we have to write sum not model, sum not statement. O, just write sum not. Earlier cases, after cancellation these two terms, right diagonal elements, we have to cancel right diagonal elements. After that we write book and tables. But whenever we have star in these rules, we have to write in reverse order. Earlier cases, after cancellation, we write book and table. Whenever we find star symbol, we have to write table and books. That means in reverse order we have to write. So here O means sum not. I am writing sum here, here not. So after writing these two terms must be written in reverse order because we have star symbol. So some tables, I am writing here tables. Tables are not books. Some tables are not books. Whenever we have star symbol, we have to write these left diagonal elements in reverse order. Good. Some questions. In exam, bank or SSC exam, we have statements and conclusions. First statements. All roses are marigolds. All marigolds are sunflowers. Some sunflowers are jasmines. Below these statements, we are provided with conclusions. First conclusion is all roses are sunflowers. Second one, some jasmines are roses. Our duty is we have to check whether these conclusions follow or not follow. If conclusion 1 is valid or if conclusion 1 follows, we have to put answer 1. If conclusion 2 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, our answer is 2. If both 1 and 2 conclusion follow, our answer is 5. First conclusion doesn't follow, second conclusion doesn't follow, then our answer is 4. Sometimes either 1 or conclusion 2 follows. In that case, we put answer as 3. So before doing these sums, we have to go through the directions, means guidelines. If only conclusion 1 follows, we have to put answer 1. If only conclusion 2 follows, our answer is 2. If both 1 and 2 conclusion follow, our answer is 5. Both 1 and 2 don't follow, then we have to select answer as 4. Either 1 or 2 follows, our answer is 3. Now, how we solve this statement conclusion question? First, we have to check whether the given question is easy or difficult. See here, marigold, marigold, sunflower, sunflower. Right diagonal elements are same. That means it is easy question. If we don't find same terms in this direction, that means the question is difficult. Now we will solve easy questions. So first we have to see these terms. In conclusion 1, we are given all roses are sunflowers. Roses and sunflowers. These two terms we have to check. Roses, sunflowers. While checking, you have to see in left direction, left diagonal elements direction. Rose, sunflower. Rose, sunflower. Here only I got. Rose, sunflower not there. Rose, sunflower. So here is rose, here is sunflower. To get these two terms, I have to add these two. Marigold, marigold gets cancelled. This is A type statement. Second one also A type statement. A plus A. I know A plus A is equal to A. A plus A is equal to A. So here I got A type statement. By combining A type statement with A type statement, we get A type statement. So here whenever you get A, you have to start that statement with all. All. So these two terms are cancelled. Now we have to write these two terms. First this term, next this term. So all roses are sunflowers. All roses are sunflowers. All roses sunflowers are given in first conclusion. So this statement, after combining first two statements, I got this all roses are sunflowers. This is given in conclusion 1. So it follows. Next, some jasmines are roses. Jasmine first, roses next. Jasmine roses. Jasmine rose not there. Jasmine roses not there. So whenever you don't find in this way, jasmine roses, jasmine roses. Now see first and third. Roses, jasmines. Leaving the third one, you see roses, jasmine. Roses, jasmine, or sometimes you get jasmines here, roses here. So order is not important here. The required terms roses and jasmines and roses should be in left diagonal element, left diagonal direction. So I find roses and jasmines, or jasmines and roses. No problem here. Though here is jasmines, here is roses, or roses here or jasmines here, no problem. These two terms must be in this direction. Not direction is not important. Now, to get rose and jasmine, I am adding all these three statements. Marigold, marigold gets cancelled. Sunflower, sunflower gets cancelled. So first this is A type. So first one is A type. Second one also A type. Plus third one I type. So it starts with the sum. So it is I type. First combine two statements. That is A plus A is equal to A plus I. A plus I. Here there is no formula for A plus I. We have I plus A, but there is no A plus I formula. Whenever you don't have this formula, that means the given statement doesn't follow. So I am putting into mark. Now, only conclusion 1 follows. Whenever only conclusion 1 follows, you have to choose 1 as right answer. So 1 is answer for this question. Another question. Statements. Some papers are files. All files are books. Some books are printers. Conclusions. 1. Some files are printers. Second conclusion is some books are papers. First we have to observe the conclusions. Here some files printers. Files printers. So first we have to check whether the given question is easy or difficult. Here files same, books same. That means it is a easy question. Now file printers. File printer not there. File printer I have. File printer. So I got files and printers. Add only these two. So this is first statement. This is second statement. This is third statement. To get file and printer, I require only second and third. Now I am combining second and third statement. Books gets cancelled. This is second one is A type statement. This is I type statement. A plus I don't have any formula for A plus I. So A plus I means I am writing NC. NC stands for no conclusion. So whenever you get no conclusion, put into mark. That means this state conclusion doesn't follow. Next, books, papers. Books, papers. Books, papers. So here books, here papers, no problem. Order is not important. The two terms must be in this direction. Books, papers. Now files gets cancelled. First type is I type. Second one is A type. I plus A is I. So I here is equal to after I got I. That means I have to start with sum. Sum. These two cancelled. Files cancelled. Now I am left with paper and book. So I am writing paper and book. Paper or books. Some papers or books I got by combining these two. Now, some papers or books, here some books or papers given. Here I got some papers or books, but here given some books or paper. That means it is written in reverse order. So whenever reverse order is given, apply the conversion technique. So I told you earlier, sum conversion sum. Sum statement can be written as using sum. Sum paper or books. Conversion means writing in reverse order. So conversion for this conclusion is some papers or books can be written as some books or papers. Some books or papers. So this some books or papers is given in conclusion 2. So this follows. Now here 1 doesn't follow, only 2 follows. When only 2 follows, our answer is 2. So answer for this question is 2. Now let us discuss about complementary pairs. Complementary pair. Here AO, IO and EI. These three pairs said to be complementary pairs. AO or OA, IO or OI, EI or IE. If you find these pairs, they are said to be complementary pairs. In that case, we have to choose the option either or. Either or option we have to select. This is one of the important model. Here statements are given. All erasers are pencils. Some pencils are pens. No pen is paper. Conclusions. 1. Some erasers are papers. No paper is an eraser. Generally 5 or 6 questions will be asked in bank and SSC, police, SI exams. So out of those 5 or 6 questions, 1 or 2 questions must be in this model. Here first observe the conclusions. Eraser, paper. Here also I have eraser and paper. Eraser, paper in the first conclusion. In second conclusion also we have eraser and paper. Order is not important. Here 2 terms eraser and paper. Here also the 2 terms eraser and paper. Order is not important. So whenever these 2 terms are same, then we have to check these 2 types whether they are complementary pair or not. I told you what are complementary pairs. AO, IO, EI. These are complementary pairs. Now we will check. Sum. This conclusion starts with sum. So this is I type statement. This conclusion starts with no. This is E type statement. So IE pair, IE. So here IE or EI. So IE is a complementary pair. Whenever you get a complementary pair, your answer is 3. Here in the options you are given either or. You have to choose this option. either 1 or 2. This type of answer you have to choose in exam.